Hello, welcome back to Grumpy's Laid Back Carvings. This is another mail video. I got a surprise package from a good friend and subscriber to the channel, and he's also the person that kind of pushed me into doing the channel. Didn't push me, just gave me the good encouragement that I needed. Thank you a whole lot. I greatly appreciate this. Totally unexpected in my mouth. This is from Hedrick's Homegrown Aquatics. Y'all see him commenting on almost every single video. He don't have a channel yet, but he will. We're gonna get it going. But I'm gonna open this up so y'all can see what I got. Now, this is all cedar. It's so much cedar. I love carving cedar, and this is all perfect little pieces for me to carve and spin on the lathe. And it is so much cedar. I'm gonna take everybody off the mount, so it's probably gonna get a little bouncy. I don't have a gimbal or anything. But this box is just crammed, so full of cedar. It was packaged and sold as split firewood, but it's just, I can use every bit of it. There's a few small pieces, but I can even turn that, because look, that's like the exotic pin blanks. I mean, I can use it. And it's, look at this box, y'all. There's my hand. I got a big old hand. This box, that's my a normal dining room chair that this box is sitting in, and it takes up the whole chair. And like I said, it's just slam full. Thank you so much. Grumpy greatly appreciates it. And there's my lace. You know, I say I have a mini lace. You know, it's not tiny, but it's not big. I got like an 8-inch swing right here, and I believe it's 13. It might even be more than 13. Yeah, it's a little longer than 13. Oh yeah, no, because by the time that backs up, tailstock backs up, I can put an extension for the bed to get a longer turn out of it for spindles, but the swing is only 8 inches. But still, it's not bad. Serves its purpose. And then this is my inside of my box. It's a mess. I got all my crafting stuff right there from where I was doing my pin blanks and sanding on some stuff. Or not pin blanks, my roach clip blanks. But thank you so much, dude. Thank you so much. I will be turning some cedar roach clips very, very soon for sure. Look at that, you know it's cedar. Look at that bark. And then the smell, oh my goodness, the smell. I love the smell of cedar. And then look, I got the sapwood and the dark wood colors, and then just all heartwood, and then some that's all sapwood. I love it. Like I said, there's going to be so many clips and so many, like, I can smooth this down and even do my little wood spirits and stuff on some of these pieces. Like I said, this is going to be fun. I got plenty of damn wood to play with now. Thank you so much again. I can't say thank you enough. But yes, everybody, y'all have a great night. I had to sneak this in here at the last minute, but yep, I'm facing get on the computer and play with this and put this out there. Yeah, like that right there. that knot right there. Oh, sorry, y'all can't see that. That's just a cool piece. And I haven't even looked through the whole box, so I've just pulled little pieces off the top here and there. It's just, it's stuffed full. Alright, thank y'all for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, all that good stuff. And thank you again, Hedrick's Homegrown Aquatics. We're going to get your channel going. I'm telling you, you got to get that shop built. We're going to get it. Alright, y'all have a great night.